Wow, what is going on? Okay. Hola!
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You may know me from my other channel, Shannon Rosanna. On there it's like vlogs, pretty much anything. There wasn't really any specified content on there, to be honest. You're definitely as confused as I am when I was filming this video, because I genuinely thought I was going to start a new channel, but then I was like, what is the point in that? So I'm going to stick to this one and just rebrand it, and yeah, thought I'd just clear that up. I want to focus on everything fashion, whether that be hauls, styling videos, DIYs, styling videos, hauls, DIYs. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I have done an everything £5 haul. I'm opening it in front of you guys. Just to give you a little insight about everything £5. Everything is £5.
Well, who would have guessed that?
On the site, apart from the occasional thing that's actually lower and it's £2.50. I don't think I got anything in this haul for £2.50, but I know some other people have, which is like such a bargain. Basically, I know that there's been a lot of people that have had concerns about everything £5 and it like really contributing to like the fast fashion industry. And if anything, I think it's slightly trying to combat that, because it buys basically like old season and like last season clothing from loads of brands. People have had things that are probably from like Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, Misguided, H&M. Let me not like show my address. Okay, it's open. Why did I do that? What a loser. Hey, what's this belt? This material from the back is actually trash. Even though this blazer part looks granny, yeah, I thought DIY. This actually comes with a skirt, right? It looks like this. But because it's tie-dye, I thought it was really cute. And that's an ugly button anyway. This is not off to a great start, guys. There's like threads fraying off of it and everything. I got it in a size small, which I believe on the site was an 8. It looks so trash. How is this a size 8? It looks really wide as well. I do really like this kind of like D-ring detailing that's on the side with this strip. I think that looks really cool because it ties in with the button that's on the front. This is the skirt that comes with it. I thought, like I said, if I cropped the jacket, I thought this would look really cute as a cord. It comes with this on the buckle. A cord with a little bag that comes with, like, nothing is going to be able to fit in it, but it's like that designer jacket, that one, with the really tiny bags. Like, yeah, we could have a little moment like that, but it's just like the £5 version, you know? That's that, both £5, £10 for a cord. You can't really go wrong.
Nice.
A triord. I might have just done something there, created a word.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
I went and got it in yellow as well. I actually prefer it in this colour in person. I got the skirt to go with this as well. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these on. If we have a summer, if there's like any like time left before the nice weather goes, I think this would be really complimentary for it, because in the UK, when it's hot, it's not a nice hot, it's very sticky, it's very humid. The fact that this material isn't that thick is probably a good thing. This is a bit heavy, isn't it? Sorry, it's a bit crumply, isn't it? Sorry for the noise. This is a bit heavy, isn't it? Camel corduroy jumpsuit. They have a black version that I've seen in other people's hauls, but I wasn't really digging it. This is really heavy, and you think that it's good. You probably think it's going to be good quality. We clearly have a thing for hardware. I really like this zip. Same with the buttons. I feel like gold would have not contrasted enough against the camel colour. So I do really appreciate that. ASMR. I really like this, and the legs, oh my god, the legs are wide. I really have a thing for wide legs. But I feel like between the ridges in the corduroy, there should be more of an indent. Like it's not as textured. Like when you like run your hand over it, it still feels quite smooth. It feels as if the corduroy has been printed on, like it's just ribbed. £5, cannot complain. I can't wait to try it on. Is this what they called online? They called it a wrap top, but on the model I'm pretty sure it looked like a dress. I got this in a size 8 because it was the only size that they have. That's actually a recognizable brand. I saw it first. Now that I have it in person, it does look like a top, but we like to take risks on this channel. Until I put this on, I really can't show you guys properly how this looks. You could have it more plungy if you wanted to and not wrap it that much, or you could have it all the way over. And I think that's why I bought it and assumed it is kind of like a dress, because if you do wrap it more over so that there's less leg on show, it just looks like a mini dress. Not bad for the quality. Right, next thing, I ordered these straight leg ones that say they're in a 10 long, but then on the actual like packaging, 12 has been written on it. I was hoping to do like a DIY with these as well and probably bleach them a little bit. These look a little bit short. They are really straight leg though, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit of a thickums. No, I'm not. I wish I was. But my thighs are on the thicker side. We'll have to see. This next thing is a shirt. It has these sleeves, and I would be even tempted to wear the shirt all the way done up. I think it's quite a preppy look, and I am definitely unisex quite an...
Are you sure about that?
But that's that. Quite like that. I'm gonna have to do a ton of editing because I have honestly spoken for far too long about each item. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you do subscribe and like stay tuned for the next one that I put out, which I will not put a schedule on yet, because if you watched me on my other channel, I am not consistent at all. But due to COVID, I'm sure that I will be. But just don't wait on it. But at the same time, please do still subscribe and like put notification bells on so that you don't miss anything when I do put it out. And yeah,